Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a double spiral shirt. My shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in soda ash, wrung out in my Panda spin dryer, and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out, and just by chance I have it turned over to the back side. That's not necessary though. I'm using a washable marker, and I'm going to make a couple of marks where I'd like to begin my spirals. I'm using my fork to begin my first spiral. Once I have it started, I go ahead and take my fork out and start my second spiral. I'm spiraling the second one the same direction as I did the first one. Once they kind of meet in the middle, I put my fingers on each of those spirals to hold them in place. Then I'm going to use my other hand and make folds in the rest of the shirt and fold it into these two spirals. Once I have my shirt folded, I'm going to use some rubber bands to hold it in place. Now, since the front side is a little bit messy, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to the back side to draw some lines on. I'm drawing a partial triangle going through one of my spirals, and then I'm going to draw another partial triangle going through the other spiral. So basically where they meet, it makes a diamond shape right in the middle of my shirt. What I'm doing is I'm trying to draw various lines going through the middle of my spirals. So each one of the lines that I've drawn on there goes through the middle of my spiral. And I've also drawn on the same amount of spaces or the same amount of die areas for each spiral. So it's as symmetrical as I can get it. Okay, so for this shirt, I'm going to use up some dye that I have that is getting kind of old. The first color is Seafoam from Custom Colors. I'm going to do that in that very first diamond area. I'm going to go ahead and saturate each one of these areas really well because I'd like for the colors to just start to come through on the other side. The next color that I'm going to use is a combination. I have a little bit of Lime Twist from Custom Colors and some bright green from Grateful Dyes. Just going to dump those two together and use those. Even though my seafoam kind of bled over into this area, I'm going to go ahead and follow the lines that I originally drew on and put the green where I wanted it to go. So I'm just going to go over the top of the seafoam that bled into this area. So the third color I'm using is Turquoise from Dharma Trading Company. I'm going to put it in the two sections that are across from each other. The third color is Royal Blue from Custom Colors. I'm using both of the blues on either side of the green. The final two spots are going to be Chartreuse from Dharma Trading Company. Now I'm going to turn my shirt over and make sure that my colors are coming through to the other side. Most of them have, but I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more turquoise. And I'm going to add some more of the royal blue. Now I'm going to turn the shirt over. And as you can see, most of the colors have started to come through. And I have some black bang from Custom Colors, which I'm going to put all on the back of the shirt. I'm not putting a really heavy coat of this because I don't want it to overtake my colors, but I am making sure to cover up all the white areas. Then I'm going to turn the shirt back over so that it processes with the colored side up. I'm going to add just a little bit more of the turquoise to make sure I don't have any white left in the shirt right there. What I'm doing right here is I'm just looking in my folds to make sure I have good color saturation all throughout my shirt. I'm going to add just a little bit more of a couple colors. Then I'm going to put my shirt down inside of a tub that has a rack down in the bottom, put the lid on the tub, and set it outside for a little while where it's nice and hot. Then I'll wash it out after 24 hours. Alright, so here's what our shirt looks like. If you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.